Welcome to Counters. In this lesson, we're going to explain how to do a tax type transfer, meaning you're transferring your file to another individual. It may be a tax practitioner who has requested your file and has asked you to approve the transfer. So here we're going to show how to do that. And this is the SMS that you would receive. A request has been received to access tax number, and it would indicate what tax number has been requested by whoever that is, and you're asked to visit sars.gov.za to complete the process via Manage Tax Type Transfer link. And you may also receive an email from SARS. It would look something like this. If it's a tax practitioner who has requested the tax type, it will be written tax practitioner with the full names of the tax practitioner. With tax practitioner number, it would have their practice number, has requested access to your tax products, and it would have the tax number. As the representative taxpayer for this taxpayer, you are required to review the request and action accordingly, and it tells you how you can go about doing that. So I'm sure when you're checking this video, you must have received this, or you might have asked someone to approve the transfer. So it's important that you take account of the tax number that has been requested. So if you know the person that has requested this tax type, and it's very important that you know who has requested this, whether it's your tax practitioner or someone that you know, because you are still responsible as the registered representative of a company, for instance, or as an individual. Whatever that person does is still on you, because you are the one who is approving. So you make sure that you know who is requesting. That's why they give you the details of the person requesting, and you can either reject or approve the request. So first thing that you do is that you take note of the tax product that has been requested, and they will give you the tax number that has been requested. You can see here from this email, for instance, it's starting with 94. So once you've taken note of that, you just copy that number, because that's the tax type that has been requested from you, and then you go to the SARS website. You will go to sars.gov.za as you saw in the email and the SMS, and then once you are there, you go to the right hand side. You can see here we have login, we have register, we've got forgot username, we've got forgot password, and we've got manage tax type transfer. That's the one you click on. Once you've clicked on that one, it will bring you to this page, and it will ask you, are you a South African citizen? So if you've got a South African ID number, then you would click on yes, but if not, you would click on no, and then you'd have to put your details. So if it's a yes, you would put your identity number over here and your tax reference number, and that is the one that has been requested. You will have seen it in the email, like the one that started with 94. So that's the one that you put here. So you put your identity number, and then you put your tax reference number, and then you submit. So let's go ahead and do that. You put the identity number, and then you put the tax reference number that has been requested. Remember, it has to be that specific one that has been requested. And then once you've done that, you click on submit, and here it asks you how you want to approve this one here. So SARS would like you to approve your online request. Please indicate your preferred channel and click OK to authorize. So if you've got access to your email that SARS usually sends you communication on, and your cell phone number, you can choose either one of them that you have quick access to, and you will receive an OTP. And there, once you've put the OTP, you will select whether to approve or reject the request. So let's select cell number, and here it shows you the phone number to which it will send the OTP. This is the one that it has on record for you. So you're going to click on OK. Once you click on OK, you will receive an OTP which will expire in less than 3 minutes. So you'll put on the OTP, and then you click on submit. And once you've put in the OTP, you'll just click on submit. And here it gives you the details. Please action the tax type transfer request by authorizing or declining the following power of attorney within 5 minutes. So it gives you your name here, I and your name with the identity number in my personal capacity, authorize, and it gives you the name of the person who has requested as you have received it on your email. And it tells you if this person is a registered tax practitioner. It will tell you the name and the tax practitioner number, which starts with PR, as you can see here. To access, receive, read, conclude, and deliver electronic filing transactions as defined in the rules of electronic communications prescribed under Section 255. I declare that as the registered taxpayer, I remain fully accountable for any action taken by this person. So it's very important that you know who it is that is requesting, and you are comfortable authorizing the transfer here, because you will still be responsible for whatever they do with whatever tax type you have transferred to them. And it shows you the tax type that you are transferring with the number here, and you'll have to either authorize or decline. So if you want to click on authorize here, you can submit, and you will have submitted, and you'll also receive an email alerting you that you have just done that. I hope it's made sense. If you've gained value from this lesson, consider subscribing to our channel, like this video, and share it to those you think it might help. Till next time, cheers.